Hello everyone, my name is Victor and this is Code in Place 2021 final project. I didn't do much here. I just decided to use some basic understanding of that I got during the 5 weeks of the program to do a Scrabble word Scrabble game. So it's as simple as just when I run the program, it will ask a player, the first player, for a word. The first player will enter, let me say, community. Enter, then it will ask the second player for another word. And the second player will enter, let's say, company, and it will calculate the score according to these values that I give here. It will calculate the scores and say who wins. And when it will be the same thing. Let's say they both entered women, then it's saying that the game is a tie. So maybe when I learn more about Python, about programming, I will expand this, but for now this is what I could put together. And I decided to host this on a platform called Python Anywhere. So this is how the code looks like here, and then I have another file that is a Flask file. I use this platform to host it with a file with Flask, and then it's displaying something like this, and it's doing the same thing. Just when I play the game, company and women, then it's saying player 1 scored 16 to win the game. You can click here to go back and play it again, and you can play it as many times as you want. So thanks Code in Place, and thanks everyone. Bye bye.